About it is it's been sitting here in Arizona, so the oil looks good. Classic car addict. We're here, we're getting ready to get 72 Malibu and a 66 Charger. Both of them been in the family for pretty much their entire lifespan of the cars. So super excited to get these. We're going to start off with the Malibu, get it first. It runs, starts, and drives. 66 Charger. It's a Mopar. Mopars are always hot, so it's not the most sought after Charger of all the Chargers, but it's still a 66 Charger. It's supposed to have the full console, so I'm super excited to see exactly how this one is, and the fact that it's been in Arizona its entire life is what really kind of makes it awesome. So these drivers, fucking yahoos.
That's the quote of the day.
Yahoos. See, it's just like some of these cars, you know, some of them are just horrible. And I tell you, sometimes when it's too good to be true, most of the time it's just way too good to be true. They're just cheap. They just bag. Damn, that used to be the Chevy store or something. So oil looks good. Lots of originality. Power brakes, power steering. So we got the original manifolds, original intake. We'll have to check and decode carburetor. We'll decode engine and VIN stamp, all that good stuff. This is a 66 Charger. As you can see, it's been sitting for a little while here in Arizona. Greatest thing about it is it's been sitting here in Arizona, so you know, you're gonna have a little bit of deterioration that kind of goes through a couple of things, but what's really awesome about this is going to be that it has been sitting, and that there's a lot of originality to this. There's also, it looks like this a factory AC car. We'll get through and get the fender tag decoded here, drain the oil, drain all the fuel, have that all reset, put a new battery in it, and get it started up. We'll show you it runs and drives, and obviously this one will be sold as is, but we want to go through everything that we possibly can with it, just to show you what does work and what doesn't. But what's just really awesome about this, you can just tell under here, is actually really very dry all the way around, so it's definitely a great thing. What's really cool about these is the full pass-through console. So this is something that you can get in the 66, that you go through all the trunk panel. Got the full light across the back. There's some really awesome stuff about that. And it's just, you know, again, there's going to have a little bit of deterioration here. You can see the original kind of paint color just right under there, with some of that paint kind of peeling off. But overall, the metal itself is in really good shape, going all the way through. It's so awesome what they did in the 60s with these lines. All right, guys, all nice and dirty. Got this one all loaded up in here. This is the 66 Dodge Charger. Thing is absolutely awesome. Arizona, lots of dust, no rust. Definitely stay tuned for this one.